down here from the Creepy Girl 68, and I'm going to do another 68 vlog. Well, today, I just got done, me and Dustin just got done with the club, and yes, we're doing another one tomorrow. I'll do it on camera. You guys can see how it is. It's fun. We just got all the stuff out. We just finished it. And, you know, guys, once again, an empty room. Only thing you can really see in here is wires, closet, and da-na-na-na, na-na-na-na, creepy. Woo! Ah! Sorry, creepy. Yeah. We were playing hot creepy. We were throwing him around because he was hot, and Dustin had like a thing kind of thing. Today, I thought, why don't I do that? I don't have the hot potato song right now. But hold on, I'm gonna see if I can download